Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's Kim Cheer, back with another video. Finally, it's been a very long time since I've done this. As you all can see, my mileage is at 26,000 right now. I don't even remember the last time I posted a video and what the mileage was, but I think it was at least 10 plus thousand miles ago. But yeah, I do have some stuff getting done to the car. We're actually going to Los Angeles today to get this stuff onto the car. Pretty excited. I've been wanting these for a really long time, and I just had a really hard time justifying doing this, but the time has come. It's time for a little upgrade. V3 of this car is coming soon, and I do have a couple of things going on. But yeah, we're gonna head up to LA right now. I'm just gonna do a little cold start for you all with the valves closed because my neighbors don't like cold starts with the valves open. It is kind of loud, but yep. But yeah, anyways, I will catch you guys in LA at the shop, and yeah, let's see what's getting done. Yo, what is good? We are here. I had to go get a haircut and go eat some food, but yeah, this is gonna be the last time you all see this car the way it looks right now. Take a good look because it's the last time you're gonna see it like this. As you all can see, we are here at AR Motorworks, and if you all aren't familiar of what they do, they basically specialize in wheels, a specific kind of wheel for the most part. So yeah, that's gonna be going on the car today. Gonna have some other stuff coming up later, but yeah, they're gonna do their thing, and let's see what this looks like after it's all done. What do you think?
What's up, chat?
What do you think? Yeah, what's up, chat? What do you think? What do you think? So this is what I got
these
done.
ESRs look so good.
Oh, the ESRs? Oh,
Yeah.
hell yeah. Yeah. So this is what I was getting at AR the other day. Some BBS LMRs, custom 3-piece for the G8X. Damn. Yes? No?
Yeah, I like
Dude,
it.
fuck yeah, dude.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Finally got
Okay.
some cool wheels.
That's fucked. Hey, my CS wheels were nice. I mean, these...
They look too OEM.
I know. Okay.
This is like OEM plus.
No, dude, this is like plus.
Alright. But yeah, we're at OC Cars and Coffee. It's actually the next day. We're gonna take a look around, see what else is here, but just a quick look at the car. Probably show you like a more detailed video later. G80 with the matte bronze wheels, just like me. Hakone G80 6. Yo, this is clean. Ooh. Yo, what the fuck is this? Yo, look at this. Yo, is this dude a Blackpink fan or something?
Oh, see, these are the wheels you should have gotten.
Oh yeah, no, I don't think so.
Dude, this thing is.
Yo, this is
so
nice.
sick.
It is nice.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Damn. Bro. Alright, so finally back home. Just wanted to give you all a little bit more of a rundown on, the wheels themselves. Like I said, these are BBS LMRs, specifically made, custom 3-piece from AR Motorworks. They did a bang-up job with the wheels. Like, they look fantastic. Got them in the brushed champagne with the BBS black and gold center caps. They actually put on these like limited edition BBS stickers as well. So big shout out to them. As far as the actual specs of the wheels go, I can't really tell you because, they're not going to give out the specifics. At least I didn't ask for it. So yeah, I don't know what the actual specifics are or specifications are on these wheels, but they look so nice. Fitment, still really good, at least for a daily. Like, this is my daily car, so obviously I want to keep it aggressive but not too aggressive. because I already do scrape some. And actually, I did scrape the other day, or yesterday, when I was pulling out of a, I guess like a driveway. So yeah, the slip blow right here did come off. So I'm gonna have to, you know, take off this adhesive and then put a new piece on. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, I mean, the car looks freaking amazing. So big shout out to AR Motorworks for hooking it up. These look amazing. And yeah, stay tuned for probably a few more videos this year, but looks great.